One day, in Teletubbyland, Laa Laa decided to give all the other Teletubbies a big hug.
Wow! The big hug! Hey, the big hug! Oh, okay.
What is it?
First of all, Laa Laa gave Po a big hug.
No!
Hold my hand. Now! Let's go.
Hey Donovan, you got anything to drink?
Yeah. In the fridge.
Hey Josh, grab me a glass of milk.
They don't have any milk, but I can get you some milk.
That's what he just said.
Yeah, I just want some milk.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck yeah! This is the shit! Kill me now!
Let's just go ahead and truck it back to look how silly this is!
Are they gone?
You have to like do. Oh. Okay. Arent, don't leave. Arent, don't. Arent! I love you!
No, I'm fucking done! I'm fucking done!
No, you're not.
This is bullshit!
I'm gonna go.
This is fucking bullshit!
I can't get off!
What is this?